This is our hotel that we're staying at in Namba. It's called the Hotel Keihan Namba Grande, and we're going to show you around. This is the complimentary toiletries bar. You can get body washes, toothbrush, toothpaste, just a bit of everything really.
This is our room, 930, on the level that has access to the executive lounge. We've got a nice big walkway, no squishiness here. Plenty of room to have our bags up. Say hi, Simon.
Hi, Simon.
So still smaller than Western rooms, but much bigger than your traditional business room in Japan. The bed's pretty big. It's firm, but it's big. There's a little couch space that we're using to sit things on, and there's a workbench if you need a bench to do some work. We've got a coffee pod machine that we're not using because we can go down and get coffee from the executive lounge. There's a nice big smart TV that you can hook your devices to. There's a little bar fridge here as well. And then the selling point of this hotel is definitely the bathroom. And the bathroom is one of the biggest bathrooms that we've ever seen in Japan. Normally we're used to the plastic, tiny capsule ones. This one has a nice big area with drawers that we've got our stuff away, so it's not all sitting on the bench. The toilet area and a separate shower and bathtub in a separate room. Tell us about the club lounge, Simon.
So this is the club lounge. We can have free coffee in the morning from the Starbucks vending machine. We've also got soft drinks, beer and some snacks.
Okay, and you have to be staying on the ninth floor, and you pay about 20 Australian dollars extra to have access to this, and you can help yourself as much as you want. We've come direct from Kansai Airport, and we're going to show you just how easy it is to find the hotel coming out of the Nankai Namba Central Gate, and we're going to show you how quickly we can get to the hotel walking through Namba Parks. Let's go. question is, how does this hotel rate to others that we've stayed in Namba? We've stayed at quite a few. We've stayed at the Ibis, which is along the Dotonbori River, Fraser Residence, which is right next to Namba Station. We've stayed at Hotel Ilkior, which is a couple of minutes walk from the station as well as Hotel Hillary's, which is probably around a 5-minute walk, the same as here. They're all roughly around the same price. We pay between that 100 and 140-ish Australian dollars. This one has cost us 140 Australian dollars a night. I'm not quite sure if it was a special because the hotel was reasonably new and we booked it quite a while ago. The prices may have changed a little bit since then. But it's been a really pleasant stay. It's a lovely hotel. As we've said in the video, the rooms are a little bit bigger. The bathroom is amazing. Check this hotel out. If not, check out one of those others. I'm pretty sure that you'll enjoy them. Thanks for watching our video. If you found our video helpful or you've enjoyed it, please help us grow our channel by subscribing and giving us a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more of our adventures in Osaka, catch one of our other videos. We'll pop the link to one in the corner there or there. Thanks for watching. See you next time.
See you next time.